Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a Naver webtoon in English for mobile app. So here, this is a Naver for English user. If you don't know what a Naver webtoon, you can try to search on the Play Store or App Store. You can download it for free. This is a Naver webtoon, manga, comics, and manhwa portal. So here we go. You can find your favorite manga or comic in here, and also if you already installed this webtoon, please update. So here, if you update, there's a minor bug fixes, improvements, and maybe there are add new features that you can enjoy. So here you can access 1,000 of episodes for free, explore a large selection of website comics, and also you can engage with a community enthusiasts and creators. You can be a comic creators and upload your comics into this webtoon. So here, after you install the updates or after you install it in your system, don't forget to open and sign in with your account. You can create new account if you don't have one. So now we open it. So here, if you download from another country, for example, outside the English, Japan or China, the webtoon will be English by default. So here, already in English language, but if you want to change it, or if you from a Japan or if you from Korea, you can change into a English language. You can tap more. You can tap this option and then choose a settings, scroll down and try to search a option content language. You can tap it. So here you can choose your content language. Many series are only available in specific languages, so you have to pay attention. So maybe there are comic that you can find on a Japan language, or only the comic only on English content or English language. And here we go. Are you sure you want to change content language? You will not lose your coins if you change to another language, but they will not appear in other languages. So your coin will be here when you switch back to English. So you can tap it, and there is a Chinese or Korean here, if I'm not mistaken, Thailand, Indonesia, Spain, French, and German. So here you can try to change, for example, to Bahasa Indonesia and go back. And here we go. Now a webtoon in Indonesian content, Indonesia language. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.